Do you buy books and leave them unread because you don't have the time, you're too busy, or you're just not able to understand or remember what you read? If these are the challenges you face whenever you open a book to read, then I want to invite you for a workshop where I will be giving you my secrets, where I've been helping more than 3,000 students, professionals, IT people, name it, I've been able to help them to finish books within 1 week, plus with implementation, so that you're able to remember what you read and apply in your life. Good. So how do you feel today's session was?
So it was very insightful and something new and better. It has helped me instantly to increase my reading speed by 2 or 3 lines, 6 lines, yeah.
Yes.
So eventually it can be increased. Yeah, it was very insightful and loving.